one of my favorites. You're just gonna need these ingredients over here. So first you're gonna need 4 ripe bananas, really ripe bananas. Then you're gonna need 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, a stick of butter, half cup stick though, and then 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and that's it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. That's already going. So after you do that, then you're going to put a little bit of butter on a napkin and rub your tray with it all around. After you do that, you're going to put in a little bit of flour. And you're going to put your butter in a big bowl. You're also going to add your cup of sugar. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to beat our 4 bananas. Okay, now you're going to add your bananas to your big bowl. Okay. I'm going to add 2 eggs. One, 2. Next, you're going to beat these together. You're going to add your 2 cups of flour and your baking soda. Then you're going to beat it together. Pour it into your baking dish. Ready to go into the oven. We'll bake it for 1 hour. You're going to take it out. Smells good. Hope you like your banana bread. Bye.